Okay, this is a quick one, y'all. These, you get them on Amazon for 2 batteries for like 40-50 bucks. And there are stand-ins for these, a generic Chinese version of the DeWalt battery. But I can tell you from personal experience with a bunch of these, this DeWalt 4 amp hour is a better battery than that one. Guaranteed. So I took it all apart, and what I found was a just cheap Chinese 2.5 amp hour battery in there. I mean, they're decent lithium batteries. They're using a lot of products, high drain, but they're not great. So 2 banks of these 2.5s is going to be 5 amp hour. They're claiming 6.5. So what we'll do, I'll just mark it right off, because that is not 6. They don't last nearly as long. Probably a third of the lifespan of the DeWalt battery. But, you know, for 40-50 bucks, you can't go wrong. How much is this one battery? Don't even go in the hardware store. You don't even want to know how much it is. And I haven't taken apart one of these yet, but I'm sure they're much better than these 18650. They had a generic wrapper on them. I don't know if I got it right here. Yeah, it's somewhere. There was a generic wrapper on it, but all it said was the volts and model number, which I did in our searches, couldn't even come up with a model number. Anyway, these, are they worth it? Yeah. Are they as good as these? No fucking way. Thanks, y'all.